It's Kathleen from COZ Creations, and I'm so excited about this handsome fella. I got some new paints in the mail 2 days ago, and I found them on Amazon. They are Chroma Molten Metallics. They're metallic acrylics, and they are absolutely lovely. They're very fluid, very creamy. And I thought I would give them a try, and I was so happy with the results. I decided to make a little video for you guys. So here we go. That's one of our colors, the copper, which is so yummy. And this one is the Xanadu Gold. It came in a package of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there's my favorite, my golden iridescent pearl, which played really well with these colors. We're going to go ahead and put them down on our black base coat, and we're going to do a real quick little swipe and then fiddle with it a little bit. Now you're going to see I swiped this guy more than once, and I'll explain why as we get there. The pearl, as you see here, was a little bit too much for me. I wanted to see more of the colors, and you're going to see how I go back and I swipe over it again. I'm also going to teach you a fun little trick here, which is a little bit off camera, but right there I laid down a little bit of gold in my PP pad, and I dipped my damp paper towel into it. To me, this is easier to apply some additional color rather than spreading it across your swipe line. I can control how much paint I use that way. So I take a cut up damp paper towel, and I dip it in the color that I want to add more of in this painting. Now here you'll see me put my finger on the back side of my swiping towel, and the reason I do that is I want to add a little bit more pressure on that swipe because I want to bring up some of the black in that base coat. Dipped it in some of the pearl and dragged it across the canvas. You can see we're starting to get some cells there down on the right hand corner, and you're going to see me torch this painting a few times. That's because it initially gave me a good amount of cells, and I figured, what the heck, I'll torch some areas. Some areas I torched a little bit heavy to bring up more cells in the spot where there were existing cells. Now I'm taking my handy dandy wooden skewer, dipping it in my paint, and I'm adding some of the same color to the existing colors and drawing that either popsicle stick or wooden skewer down to just add a little bit more definition, a little bit more interest to it. I wanted some more black going on here. Here I'm accentuating those pillow cells, as Heather Mater calls them. I'm just putting some of that coppery color where existing copper color is on the canvas. And I'm just adding a little bit more depth to it. Here you can see it a little bit close up. This guy was fun. I can't wait to go down and do another with the leftover paints. Another torch. I heavy torch some of these spots a little more than others. And we're done. That was a quickie. I give these paints a thumbs up. It is drying, and I'll let you know how it turns out once it's 100% dry. Happy painting, guys. Thanks for joining me. I'll miss you till I see you again. See ya.